Welcome to STERA FEM. Let me explain how to use STERA FEM. Please click the place you want to set the element. The element is shown in blue color. If you click it again, it will disappear. By clicking the right button of your mouse, you can change the number of element type from E1 to E10. By dragging your mouse in a region, you can set all the elements and their element type in the region at once. Let's make a window in the middle of the wall. If you select element type clear, you can remove the elements in the region. Also, the size of element in X direction can be changed by clicking the right button of your mouse. And select the number of size type from X1 to X10. In the same way, you can select the number of size type in Y direction from Y1 to Y10. The number of element grids in the initial condition is 10 by 10. If you want to change the number of grids, please click the Frame button. You can change the number of grids up to 60 in X and Y directions. Let's enter the element properties. Please click the element icon in the upper left. You need to input thickness, modulus of elasticity, Poisson ratio, and density of the element. Already, there are initial data of concrete elements as a default. If you want to change the data, please modify the data and click the Add button. Then the new data will be saved as E1 type. You can also change the color of the element. Let's enter the size of element. Please click the X size icon in the upper left. Already, there is an initial size of 100 mm as a default. If you want to change the data, please modify the data and click the Add button. Then the new data will be saved as X1 type. Please click the Y size icon. In the same way, you can input the size of element in Y direction. By clicking the black triangular button, you can move to the layer of boundary condition. The grids with elements are shown in gray color. Please click the corner of grid you want to set the boundary condition. The restraint node is shown as a circle in brown color. By clicking the right button of your mouse, you can change the number of restraint condition from B1 to B10. Please click the boundary condition icon in the upper left. You can select the boundary condition from pin support, roller support in X direction and roller support in Y direction. By clicking the black triangular button again, you can move to the layer of point force. The grids with elements are shown in gray color. The nodes with boundary conditions are shown in gray color circle. Please click the corner of grid you want to set the point force. The node is shown as a circle in pink color. By clicking the right button of your mouse, you can change the number of force condition from P1 to P10. Please click the point force icon in the upper left. You can input forces in Newton in X and Y directions. Let's assume 1000 Newton in X direction. Now we are ready to analyze the structure. Please click the rectangle button. The structure will be displayed in the proportion using the input size. When you click the red exclamation button, you can see the deformation and principal stresses under static loading. To increase the amplitude, please click the blue arrow. To decrease the amplitude, please click the red arrow. The factor of amplification is shown in the right top of the window. By clicking the stress button, the stress will disappear. You can change the size of stress line by moving the slider. Blue line indicates the tension stress and red line indicates the compression stress. By clicking the color button, the message will appear. Drawing finished. And the stress distribution is shown with color. By dragging your mouse with left click, you can magnify the picture. By dragging with right click, you can move the picture. To save the analysis results, please click the icon with red arrow at the top of the window. Then, a window will appear with the message. Calculation is completed. Please press any key to close the window. In the folder of STERA FEM, the output files are automatically created. Let's see the output files in a folder. Let's open Output Response. You can find the initial coordinate and static displacement of each node. Also there are principal stresses at Gaussian points in each element. Please enjoy STERA FEM.